right, now we're going to do a yearly budget. Okay. If you notice, it goes from 2019 to 2020. It's for Roy and Jeanetta. It's kind of different because our instructions are at the bottom. Okay, it'll tell us the changes that we need to make. Every year you should probably update your budget. Sometimes you might do it more than that, maybe every 6 months. But for this, we're going to do it every year and make the changes that it tells us to. Okay, for Roy, it says he made $24,960 last night. Notice we do income. It's kind of just like we did before. Gross pay, our deduction expenses, and then how much we have left over. For Roy, he made $27,040, so we're going to update his income. We're going to update Jeanetta's by 5%. So what I'm going to do is take $18,720, get into my calculator, times 1.05%, or times 1.05. And I get 19,656. Thanks. I got a little extra 5 in there. Okay? But what I did is I took it times 1.05. Why? Because even if I took it times the 0.05, that would give me 5%, but I would have to add that back to it, the 18,720, so it eliminates a step to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so my gross pay, I'm going to add these two together, 27,040 plus 19,656. So their gross pay for 2020 is 46,696. It says take out less 25% for deductions. For their federal, state, Social Security, Medicare, we're going to make it just an even 25%. So we're going to take out 11,674. We just took 46696 times 0.25 to get 11,674. The take-home pay, we're going to subtract our deductions. So we're going to take 46,696 minus 11,674 to get the amount of money that they have to work with, their take-home pay, $35,022. Okay, so we have their income taken care of. Okay, it says inflation is 4%. Car, student loan, and furniture will be fixed. That means it's not going to change. So right now I'm going to go up to car loan payment, and I'm going to put in $3,600. Okay, student loan is not going to change. I'm going to go to student loan and put in $540. And I'm going to go to furniture and put in $2,400. Okay, apartment rent is also going to stay the same. So I'm going to go to apartment rent and put in $7,200. And the reason I'm doing this is make sure you do that first. Otherwise, when you start figuring inflation for all the other ones, you'll get confused and accidentally do one of your fixed expenses. Okay, so it says everything else is going to raise by 4% for inflation. So I'm going to come to food. I'm going to take it times 1.04. That's the 4% and the $6,200 added to it. So 6,200 times 1.04. I get 6,448. Okay, gas, oil, and maintenance, 1,800 times 1.04 gives me 1,872. Clothing times 1.04 and that was 1,200. I get 1,248. Okay, and you're going to go down through here and do this for each one that's going to increase. All the way down through entertainment, skip student loan, and then again for miscellaneous, and for bus fare. I'm going to give you just a second to complete those. Okay, where we left off. Okay, you're taking 4% inflation times for car insurance to get $1,019.20. Renter's insurance, $120 times 1.04 to get $124.80. $550 times 1.04 to get $572. $1,000 times 1.04 to get $1,040. $540 stays the same. It's his fixed expense for a student loan payment. Miscellaneous, $700 times 1.04 to get $728. $520 times 1.04 to get $540.80. Adding them all together, you get $29,828.80. Their savings, taking their income minus their expenses to get $5,193.20. And to get percent saved, you take $5,193.20 divided by their income of $35,022. And this would be a yearly updated budget for Roy and Jeanetta.